Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to reset VS Code settings or reset Visual Studio Code easy tutorial. So onto this tutorial, we'll learn how to restore or reset your VS Code back to its original settings. Now for us to be able to begin, we'll just need to go ahead and update a file here or a JSON file here onto your Visual Studio Code. And for us to be able to proceed, just head onto the gear icon here onto the lower part of the screen, which shows Manage. Click onto that and there should be an option for you to head onto Settings. Click onto settings and right after, here onto the upper right corner of it, you should be able to see this icon beside this triangle icon in here. So just click onto that icon and right after, you should be able to see the settings.json file. So they should differ onto different Visual Studio Code. So if you have different things installed onto your Visual Studio Code, there might be a lot of things inside here. So since this one is new onto my end, so there should be this one. So this is the only thing that is showing. But for us to be able to go ahead and reset this, just go ahead and highlight all of the things inside the curly brackets and remove them. So just go ahead and make sure to go ahead and leave the two curly brackets in here, the open and the closed one, so that you could go ahead and leave the file as it is. Right after that, just go ahead and save it, and this should go ahead and reset your VS Code settings. And that is just basically it, the simplest way how you reset VS Code settings. And if you think that has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.